Let me tell you guys something. There are very few things in this world that make me happier than Mexican food when I'm starving. For those of you that don't know, I don't think I've ever said this on my channel because who cares about any of this, but Mexican food is probably my favorite food ever. I also really like soup, but ever since I became a vegetarian, it's just not the same. So we painted the little marks that were in the back of the bed. We still have to move the bed back. We're waiting for everything to dry. And I was just steaming the curtains. So now I'm gonna do this side. Let's see how long it takes me. So I got Dexter a new bed, a new small little bed that I can put next to my desk so that he lays there while I work. And he keeps laying on it. He likes it. Dexter. I was like looking for him and I couldn't find him. It's so small compared to his other bed. Hey guys, so I'm currently editing the vlog, and every time I film these clips of me doing the little wax stamp thing for the Christmas presents, it looks like I'm about to smoke crack and I can't stop laughing at it. again. I had forgotten that I had a Snickers in the fridge, and now I just remembered, and it's the best thing in the world. Thanks for listening. So I'm currently shooting some stuff for the lobby, and I wanted to show you what I picked out this month. So the first thing is this tank top, which is a ribbed asymmetric tank top. If you guys have been here for a while, you know how I feel about asymmetrical tank tops. Love it. It's by Simon Miller. I don't know if you can tell, but it is ribbed. Paired it with my vintage pinstripe pants and my flip-flops by The Row. The next pick is this top by The Line by K. I am obsessed. It has like a cutout, turtleneck, tied at waist. Paired it with my leather pants by Sundarday, which I altered at the waist. I sized up and I altered them at the waist, and my pointed mules, which are old by Stod. Love this top. I also got a matching dress in like an ivory color, which I'll show you. Okay, please don't mind the mess in the back, but this is the same silhouette but in dress form. This is the Malcolm dress by The Line by K. I love this detail. It's just like a midi dress. Paired it with some boots. These boots are old by Mark Ellis. Yeah, so cozy and comfy. Next I have this bodysuit by Simon Miller again. It's so comfortable. It's white, but it's not see-through, which is my favorite thing ever, when they can just get the fabric right. It's that very stretchy fabric that reminds me of like a ballet bodysuit, like the very thick, heavy fabric. It has like a squared off neck, or like a very scoop neck, and I just paired it with these pants, which are my favorite sweatpants that I've ever owned in my life. They're also by Sundarday, and they're just regular black sweatpants, but they're very long and they have a slit in the bottom. And yeah, I just paired it with the same sandals by The Row. This necklace is by Bagatiba. This one is by Love AJ, and the small ones are by Gemary. And my rings are also by Gemary. And the last piece that I chose is also from The Line by K. I actually own this top in beige, but this checkered vibe I'm obsessed with. So it's just like a brown satin finish. It's just a wrap top, and I like to leave the front just hanging. The sleeves come to like a pretty detail. Paired it with my pants by Lesset, which you guys know I'm obsessed with, and my boots by 80, just my ankle boots. These pants are a dream. They're like the stretchiest thing ever. So yeah. And somebody asked me how I wear these tops, because this specific top in particular, this wrap top that The Line by K does, is very difficult to like walk around in because your boobs are just everywhere. So I just use double-sided tape. I don't have it on right now, but if I go out, like if I leave my house with this top on, I just put double-sided tape like right here. I adjust it very well, like where I want it, and I just put tape here and here so that we don't have any accidents. And I do wear my Bristles 6 nippies with it, which is what I have on right now. If you guys don't know, that's pretty much the only bra that I wear. They're like pasties. So this is the adjustable weight that I bought. It is Activa Fit. You just lift it and put it where you want it, and then it only gives you the amount of weight that you choose. I only got one because I like to isolate. To try out this Ulta MD sunscreen, and I got the tinted one. I'm gonna see how I like it. I think now I'm using the Color Science one, and I like that one, but the color just is not a great match. Let's hope that this one's better. SPF 46. So I recently got this matcha powder, and I've been drinking it like every day, and I really like it. I just blend it in here. I put ice, 1 teaspoon of the powder, and whatever sweetener I want, and I shake it up. Oh, and almond milk. I shake it up, and then ta-da! It's really good. It's a nice alternative to an Americano or just like straight up Cuban coffee. I need a break. My body needs a break sometime, even though this has a lot of caffeine, but not as much as regular coffee. This little electric whisk, and it's so satisfying. I could just do this all day. So I wanted to show you what Roger did behind my desk yesterday. He goes, "This needs to be more aesthetic." And then he proceeds to grab some extra fairy lights that we put outside. And this is what he did. So this is my desk. Please don't mind it. It's a mess right now. Dexter's little bed next to my desk. Yes, he does have a separate bed for the office because he likes to lay there. Most spoiled dog in the world, but leave me alone. So this is just temporarily here. It's usually in my living room, but my Christmas tree is where this is supposed to be. So I just put it here next to my desk. And this is my backdrop. Sometimes I use it to hang clothes that needs to be air dried. And he just gets the little fairy lights and does whatever this is. And I think it's pretty cute. What do you guys think? Very Tumblr, like 2008 vibes, where people would just hang these little fairy lights everywhere. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys his work. It does look cute at night though, I will give it to him. What else did I want to show you guys? Oh, if you guys are in the market for some fake tan, I've been testing Savon. If you guys don't follow her on Instagram, I really like her. Oh my god, there's 2 squirrels fighting on a tree right now. They're right there. Oh, they're right there. I don't know what they're doing. Maybe they were mating and I thought they were fighting. Wait, is there even another squirrel there, or is there only 1 squirrel? Oh, I think that's only 1 squirrel. Aw, he's so lonely. It looks like he's just, oh, there he goes again. What is he doing? Oh, he's just eating like the pods or whatever in today's episode of What Are the Squirrels in Gemary's Neighborhood Doing? That's what they're doing. He grabs like whatever it is that's in those little pods and he goes up to eat it and stare at the horizon. It's kind of like me. I need a view every time I eat. I need to like stare at something. I need to watch TV and stuff. I can't just eat and stare at my food. So I feel you, buddy. Anyway, as I was saying, I've been trying a new self-tanner. Sivan, which is a blogger that I've been following for years, she created her brand called Luxe Unfiltered, I think it is. She has multiple brands, so I can't remember which one her tanning products are in. But I started off with the tanning lotion like for the body, and I liked it so much that I tried her like glow drops for the face, and I really like it. It gives a very natural glow and like a very natural tan as well, and you don't need a lot of it, and it blends nicely. Before that one I was using the Tan Luxe, I think, the one that comes in like a little dropper bottle and you mix it with your moisturizer. But this one's great because the lotion already comes with the tanning product in it, so it's just like you're applying lotion to your skin. The face drops, it does come in a bottle. I'll show you now. It does come in a little bottle and you mix it with your moisturizer, but the way that I've found that I actually like how it looks a little better is applying it after I've applied my moisturizer in the morning. I do like 2 or 3 drops and I apply it to my face and neck, and it kind of like matches my body, because that's my problem. Every time I tan my body, my face just looks like a boiled egg and it's very white. So yeah, I have it on today and it just gives like a very pretty natural glow. Okay, so this was not sent to me. This is not sponsored or anything, but I'm very picky with tanning products. I don't do it ever. I never like self-tan because it's such a hassle. So the way that she formulated this for it to just be a lotion is great. It looks like this. This is her like body tanner. It's called the Luxe Unfiltered. It's her number 32. And then her face drops just look like this. And this is her number 12. If you're a deeper skin tone, I mean, you can try to add more drops. I do 3 and it's like perfect for my skin tone. I'm pretty pale during this time of year, but if your skin tone is deeper, I don't know if this will show up that much. I don't know, maybe if you do like a lot of drops, but it's very subtle and I prefer that. And the most important thing is that so far I haven't broken out or anything. So yeah, it's not something I use every single day, but like once or twice a week